Guys, we got a fun one going on today. We got a 2019 F-250. Getting some cool stuff. Come with me. So today we're doing an 8-inch Stryker lift kit. Doing 4-link center cradle and traction bars. Gonna do some Fox shocks with it. Got everything laid out. Front of the truck's jacked up. About to get this thing tore apart and get it lifted. Stryker. All right, guys, so what we've done so far is we have torn the front end apart, taken all of the old lift kit parts off except for the shocks. Those are gonna be next. Went ahead and threw on our radius arm drop brackets right here. This is also gonna be our 4-link conversion, and installed our upper control arms. So next step is lower control arms, and we will get this thing ready to put some springs and shocks in it.
3 hours later.
Alright, Goofy Goobers, this isn't Jake, this is your boy Ho Ho. Not the next best thing, but the best thing. We're about to finish up this fucking Stryker Two Brothers lift here, you know. We don't do this shit on the day, we do it on the motherfucking regular. So y'all come over here. If y'all want the pizzazz, y'all know who he's as. You know what I'm saying? So W Charlie Kirk's in the chat. W Charlie Kirk's. If any of y'all don't agree, go talk to your mama about it. That's my dog. That's right, you said unfiltered, right? Not filtered.
What's going on, you guys? We got the new Stryker build here. It's a 2019 F-250 with an 8-inch Stryker kit, 4-link kit. We got some Fox shocks on it, Fox dual steering stabilizer, and it was built by yours truly, Farmer Jake. We also got it sitting on some 28x16 American Force wheels. We got this Stryker lift kit powder coated in Illusion Violet. It looks really good. It's a pretty popular color. See it on a lot of lift kits around here.